Tangy, nourishing and absolutely comforting. Let's quickly make a hot bowl of lemon rasam today. Firstly, in a cooker I am taking half a cup of Toor Dal washed and soaked in 1 cup of water, 1 cup of water more for the dal to boil. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ghee and closing the lid to pressure cook for 3 whistles. Once the pressure settles down, it's time to open the lid and smash the dal to make it smooth. Dal is ready for the rasam. Time to cook the rasam. In a deep pot, I am taking 4 cups of water. Once the water has come to a boil, I am adding 1 tomato roughly chopped, 3 green chilies slit, 1 inch grated ginger, 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let this boil for 5 minutes. Next, I am adding the boiled Toor Dal, mixing it in and letting the rasam boil for 3 minutes. At last, I am switching off the stove and only then adding the juice of 2 lemons. This will save your rasam from turning bitter. Also, never reheat lemon rasam or it will turn bitter due to added lemons. Let's finish it off with a tadka. I am taking 1 teaspoon of ghee, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 12 to 15 curry leaves and 2 to 3 dried red chilies. Once sizzling, add it to the rasam and mix. Time to serve the rasam. Garnish with a few coriander leaves. A lemon slice and lemon rasam is ready. Have it as a soup or serve it with hot steamed rice and enjoy it as a warm, delicious meal. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.